In this time we are facing a view problem, like it is few problem, not it is a very big problem, like it is a gas problem and gas and petroleum problem, and due to the Strait of Hormuz botheration. But not it is a big problem, because when we are talking about to myself, then I am a student, and not I am a student, I am a working person, but sometimes I do the study, then I think about I am a student. And it is not a big issue, but gas is a few issue created, because we are cooking the food using the gas, and when it is not coming in our country, then how we get the gas? But and due to this reason here, gas cost is going so much high, like if you go to buy in a gas, like in a liter when I talk about, then it is going like 300, more than 300. Like no any people have gas, few people have gas. Our government is doing the very good to work, and they are providing the gas all the peoples, but few crisis is running in at this time, and due to this reason I also not get the gas. And but not a big problem, I buy um, coil heater. I am not buying induction, and I am not buying like infrared, because if I go for buy like that type of thing, they are not coming under the 4,000 in this time. uh, I see the price in before 1 month ago, 1 month ago. Then I see which infrared have like near in 200, 2,500, like near in 300, 3,000. In this time, like that type of infrared is coming like 400, 4,500, like that type of. So much price is going up due to this region. And but I buy the qualitator, and my qualitator is coming under the like in a 300 it is all complete, and I buy uh, one coil for my future use, because seeing this type of problem in this time, then I buy one extra coil. And in a 3,000 I 300, in a 300 I buy this qualitator, and eh, I cook the food using this qualitator. And many people are thinking about that, if I use the qualitator, then they get the more they take more and more electricity bill, and how we are handle it. But it is a not it is lower than according to the gas, because this time when I go in market and buy a gas, then it is coming like more so much high rate, because government is give the normal rate gas. But whose people have the gas, if they sell the gas, then they ask like more and more money. But it is a normal thing, if because if no any person have the gas, if any person have gas, then they sell according to his mode. But not it is a very big problem. Cook the food using the in my qualitator, and I'm not buy the index one, because when I go to the buy index, and then it is coming so much high prices. And many people are thinking that lockdown is going to start at any time, but it is not happening, because yes, India, yes, our country is going few little crisis, but not it is a big crisis. They can arrange the all the things very soon. Very soon they are because government is working every time, and they are thinking about that, how I manage our country. And today I go and in the market, then I see minimum like 20% people are not there. they quit his job and they go in hometown, because in this time I am living in near in uh, Delhi, and it is a common Delhi NCR. I living in a Delhi NCR, and when I talk about here, many people are living in a rental room. In hometown is like any other state, but they are coming here for job purpose, because here is more and more job is available. Like here is more offices and more companies are there. Then there are more and more job, but people are coming here and they are do the job, but in this time they have so much fear. And my mother also so much have fear. They today when I talked to my mother, then my mother say you return in home because lockdown going anytime, but not it is going to happen. Every people have a fear, but it is not going to happen. Yeah, because our government is doing the work and they solve this issue very soon. And that is the issue in this time running here. And all thing is good, and but this thing is little problem. And when I talk about in my hometown, like there uh, very many diesel and like petrol crisis are also going there. Peoples are uh, waiting in a queue near in petrol pump for when his number is come, then they get the gas or they get the oil or they get the diesel or petrol, like that they are waiting. And if you think about that, when in a like after a 15 days in my hometown, everyone started to the harvesting is crop, like wheat crop is ready in this time for harvesting, and they start to harvesting. Then um, in when I talk about the harvesting, then they use the tractors, and tractors are also on to the diesel. And if this type of crisis is happening, then how we manage our uh, our uh, for our farming, like harvesting and like that type of activity, how we do. We are thinking about that, but what we can do, because when America is not going to silent, and when they are not accepting the all the type of uh, policy who is the Iran is say to the America, then they don't free the Strait of Hormuz. And when they not free the Strait of Hormuz, then all the world facing like that of problem. But in this time when I talk about the problem, then there is America doing the problem, not Iran is accept all the type of his type of policy. They say all they accept all the type of policy, but without any reason they uh, hit the Iran. I'm not going any country any countryside, but I'm not taking any countryside at any countryside, but I normally talk about this. And I have not very much knowledge, but his thing I saw in a newspaper and in a news channel, that things I told you. But what we can do, because in this time America is a very superpower, and no any person is going to stop the America. And if all the world see like that, then America is doing his what they want they can do. If any country they want what they want they can do. I don't know why they do, because if all the countries free, all the countries not any countries left, then why they rule? If you think about that, if Iran have a nuclear weapon and nuclear thing, then what thing is going to the in America? America is also have the nuclear weapon. If they have problem with the nuclear weapon, then first they surrender his nuclear weapon. Because it is so much uh, getting the problem if they have. And I know the history how they create the atomic bomb. And they start to do the chain reaction in a nuclear, and they don't know what is the coming output of this reaction. If this reaction is going so much high and they are not able to control this reaction, then they destroy the all the earth if this reaction is going to start and it is not going to stop. But when America do, then all things is going right, and when any other country do, then all things going to wrong. I'm not know why they are doing, why they are thinking about that. And they are, America is pretending like that they are the father of all the world, like that, like that they are pretending like that. Anything they want, they take, any country what they want they do. I don't know why they do. If all the country coming in a together and they also make the rule for strict rule for America, then they go to this island. But I don't know why all the countries not going in a, not coming in a together for fight to the America. When all the company, all the country is stopped to the America, and they make the pressure to follow the what Iran is saying and what type of way they are saying, they follow the all the policies, then Strait of Hormuz is going to free, and all world is getting the oil and gas, and they no face any problem. But what we can do, we can only go to the talk, but I also not have any problem how to stop the America. But what we can do, we can talk and think about, and only see what is going on there, and how much time it is take, because when they don't free the Strait of Hormuz, then guys all things are going in a problem, all things going a problem. Okay friend, I meet you again in a few days. Thank you for listening.